Hello, hot dog trader here. Today I want to share with you my weekly analysis for the market. Okay. I want to start with EURUSD, and then later on we'll go into UJ, UCAD, New Zealand dollar, or maybe AUDUSD dollar using BBMA method. Okay. The reason why people cannot get profitably trading this method is because this is just my belief, is because they don't get the direction right. Okay, so if you get the direction right, you will most certainly become profitable, because we need to follow the weekly trend. Okay, so the weekly trend for today for EU is if you look at weekly candle, okay, we start with weekly. We can see here, market is actually creating this extreme here. Okay, and now the market is actually create another candle here, confirming that this is extreme, and then possibly go down another candle from this price to this price. Okay, if it doesn't reject, it become momentum candle, and then from there onwards you keep dropping until probably this price. Okay, 1.04 in monthly chart. Okay, in daily right now, we can see the price is actually very strong. The Bollinger Band actually is actually expanding. Okay, and you can see here the price that we can go possibly is around this price. Okay, this low Bollinger Band. Okay, possibly if we stop here and doesn't create momentum candle, okay, doesn't break this candle, then the market might go another direction. Okay, maybe my reverse, but most likely from the look of it, it's actually coming down. Okay, so EURUSD for me is sell for another 1 to 2 weeks until the monthly candle close. Okay, we don't know how far it can actually go, but then the monthly rejected mid BB. Okay, and now in daily chart is actually confirming the rejection. So once it has confirmed, okay, and breaking this level, this mid BB level, okay, in daily chart break mid BB level, and then you get this candle Arakuko, it is confirmed down. So what you do is you sell until mid BB, until low BB. Okay, this is very high probability trade, and because we got double extreme here, this in daily chart we got extreme already, and weekly is also extreme, but it has to be confirmed this week. If it close below, or maybe close around this 1.09 level, then for the next week we're expecting the price actually dropping further. Okay, so sell for you for this week. For AUD/USD dollar has been dropping since very long time. Okay, monthly chart is actually the market actually creating this momentum candle. Okay, monthly creating momentum candle. How far it can drop is actually a free fall. What I means is, if you just sell and hold your trade and hold until 0.50, that's all your profit. Because of course you have to wait for the monthly candle close. Okay, if you wait for the monthly candle close, okay, and it is close as a momentum candle, something like this, the market actually will fall further. Okay, probably to 2021 level. Okay, around 0.05. Because you see, this was the last resistance, right? You can see from here, this was the last support. and price actually broken that level. It means to say that from that level onwards, right, the price is actually will drop from there. Okay, it's actually downtrend from there. Okay, so we don't know how many candle or how many months it takes to reach this 0.05 level, but then what we know is the price is actually dropping. Okay, so what we look for in daily or in 4-hour chart is actually look for opportunity to sell. You can look for sell around when the price actually squeezing like this. This is a good area to sell. Squeeze, we got squeeze here, we got squeeze here, very obvious squeeze here, a little bit squeeze there. This is a very good area to sell. Okay, of course, this is what we call the zero zone loss. Okay, so you wait for price to actually make a retracement. You don't know whether it will make retracement or not. Most likely it won't. This is a sell. Okay, this is a big sell. Okay, expect price to actually drop further, and we'll see what happen. Okay, another pair that I really like is actually UC. Okay, UCAT. Okay, why I like this pair is because it's very trendy. Once you get very good direction, right direction, right, your risk reward actually very good. You see, wow, this is 0.7 0.17. Okay, 2017. Okay, right now, wow, we don't know how many thousand pips already going up from there. But then the thing that we know about this pair is that once we get the direction right, it's actually very easy to profit. Okay, and this one is very easy to trade because you have support resistance that you can rely on, and then you got very good risk reward because once you get direction right, you get you get in profit instantly. So UC is another pair that I really like. Aussie dollar, UC, and New Zealand CAD, EU is something that I really like to trade. Okay, this one is going up. Oh, cannot look. Why cannot look? Okay, wow, you see, very big candle up. Look at monthly. The next time, the next resistance level, okay, it's actually around. Okay, this one is the same with AUD New Zealand dollar because it has actually broken the support level. Okay, it broken the support level, and now the price actually going to 1.019. Okay, so any retracement for the next few weeks, okay, or maybe month, is actually your buy opportunity. I'm actually bullish this pair for the next few weeks because the price actually breaking this resistance, these supports are resistance and support as well. Okay, resistance at this level. Okay, and the price actually going up. So for UC, it's actually buy, okay, until 1.6. For UJ, okay, it's actually ranging right now. There's no show of no sign of weakness or no sign of trend. Okay, I could say that this is actually ranging. Why? Because you don't see any momentum candle, but then price actually rejected that level. Okay, this monthly Bollinger Band level. So this is what we're afraid, even in other pair. So we wait for candle close, okay, this month. So we got another 12th day to actually confirm that the price is actually going down. So if April, okay, if March, March, and the next few, we got how many trading days left? We have only 7 trading left, 9 days left. Okay, once we actually confirm another 9 trading day, confirm that, okay, the candles is actually momentum candle in monthly chart, then the next few weeks will be sell for me. following the monthly candle. Okay, so what I will do is, okay, for exactly for same for UC and Euro USD or AUD, what I'll do is actually I'll put order and then put a stop loss and then just leave it open. Okay, I'll wait for price to actually hit my stop loss. I wouldn't do anything. I just wait for price to hit my stop loss and then just let it float, okay, until my 1.6 level. Okay, so that's what I'll do. Okay, for UC is the same. So UC is a okay, it's actually ranging. Okay, weekly chart, you see market actually rejecting lower Bollinger Japan at weekly. It's creating extreme here. Okay, we see extreme here, reject, go up. Okay, if you do not know extreme, you let me know, we'll explain in another video. Okay, so now what I like is this, what we like is this. Okay, this one, when the two candle when the two moving average actually cross and then the price actually going up from there, actually around this level, when price like this and second time it's like this, right? This is when the candle when the moving average cross. So once it is cross, you know that the price will actually go uptrend, go up from there. Okay, so right now it's actually the buy. Okay, for me it's buy. Any retracement around this level, it's actually all buy. You draw you can draw any way you like it, as long as it's retracement and then you use a very good stop loss. I like to buy here. Okay, here is the price I will buy. Okay, but price didn't go to that level. It's actually around, it's only retraced around 38.2 level and 23.6 level. Okay, didn't even retrace more than 50%. It happens when the trend is actually very strong. Okay, so it's actually normal. Okay, if you only retrace to 0.38, then it means that, okay, I'm looking at this candle. Actually, I'm looking at this candle. Okay, so price only retraced to that level, so so you can expect that the price actually go up further. Of course, this candle, this bearish candle here, it retraced more than that until here, until I think the 80 level. Okay, 80-90 level, but then it didn't retrace the whole candle, so it's still okay. But it closed at 61.8 level. So from there we see price actually going up. So for the next few weeks, next few days, I would say next week or maybe next week, price will actually reach this level. Then we'll see whether the price want to reject or what, because price is ranging right now in weekly. So we expect price to actually hit top Bollinger Japan and then a range or something like that. If you want to break, then we will see from there whether to hold our position or not. So I will buy here. Okay, go to 4-hour chart, look for buy entry, and then we hold our trade. You can buy right now if you want. Buy here right now, put stop loss here. Wow, big stop loss. Yeah, very big stop loss. So look, use low time frame. 100 is still very big. There's so many buy opportunity once we confirm already. So once you confirm this here, okay, let me delete all this candle. You can go now to lower time frame. This is the candle confirm. Where is it confirmed? I think it's confirmed here. 17. Yeah. So once it's confirmed here, right? Then we will buy. We will look for buy opportunity around that price level. Actually, price market has given you the opportunity to buy. Okay, but you didn't buy. So around that level, we look for buy. You can buy around when the body when you see this candle. or you buy around this price. That's up to you where you want to buy. Some people like to see this because this is Canada ARA telling you that the price actually want to go up. So this is early signal that price want to go up. So and you see reject, yeah, then go up, then retrace here, you can buy here, then go up. Yeah. So because right now here is price is actually very high right now already. You can actually trade it, but it's not worth it because look at risk reward, it's actually worth it. If you want to hold like this, you can hold like this. You want a tighter stop loss, then it depends on your risk management. You can actually buy right now, okay, and hold until here. Okay, so that's all for this week. Okay, next week we'll go through again this all these pair next week, and then we'll see whether our prediction is actually right. Okay, I'm not going to be right all the time, but then I will say that maybe 60-70% of time I'll be right, and then I'll see you next week. Bye bye.